Happy birthday
to Poopy.
Happy
birthday to
Grandpa.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Poopy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Do you want to tell Grandpa anything? Sophie, do you want to tell Grandpa anything? Do you want to tell Grandpa you love him? Can you say, I love you, Grandpa? Oh, she was saying it earlier. So, Sophie, say, love you. Can you say, I love you? Sutton, do you want to say, I love you, Grandpa? Say, I love you. Sutton. Sutton. What do you want to say?
I love you.
Say, see you tomorrow.